Gorbel's mission is simple. We improve people's lives. That mission guides us in everything we do. We have been improving lives since 1977. Our overhead material handling systems are used around the world to help people easily move large pieces during the assembly process. Our fall protection products keep you safe while working at heights without the fear of falling. We are on the cutting edge of technology, a thriving, growing company that has appeared multiple times on Rochester's Top 100 list. We are consistently seeking new ways to innovate and elevate our products and our processes. From keeping product lines safe and productive, to protecting people from falls, to expanding our horizons, Gorbel can do it all. We started as a small company in Fairport, New York. Since then, we've grown to an international company with hundreds of employees worldwide. Our state-of-the-art headquarters is in Victor, New York, with additional manufacturing plants in Henrietta, New York, Pell City, Alabama, Goodyear, Arizona, Tianjin, China, and Elmira, Ontario, Canada. We are supported by a large network of highly trained salespeople focused in North America, Europe, and Mexico, and we are poised to continue expanding our global reach in the coming years. Gorbel is committed to enabling our customers' success by providing the highest quality equipment and services available today. And we believe that commitment begins with hiring the best people. Opportunities at Gorbel for talented applicants include welders, mechanical assemblers, electrical technicians, machine operators, shipping and receiving, material handlers, and other general production support positions. We also employ great people in the fields of customer service, finance, software, electrical and mechanical engineering, manufacturing management, information technology, sales and marketing, supply chain management, facilities, human resources, and many more. As a Gorbel employee, you will join a diverse, dynamic team of highly motivated people who bring with them a wide array of talents, skills, and backgrounds. The hallmarks of Gorbel employment are our values and culture, teamwork, and growth, and they help guide the experience of all Gorbel employees. We understand that quality needs to be rewarded and recognized. That's why at Gorbel, we are proud that our employees can grow and develop. In fact, 1/3 of all openings are filled internally. Additionally, we offer a comprehensive employee benefit program that helps our employees live better and live well, personally, professionally, and financially. Go to Gorbel.com Careers to learn more and see our current career openings. Become part of the Gorbel team and help us improve lives.